Your brain does something strange in less than a second. It looks at a person and instantly guesses their size. And it leans on one surprising clue. You don't measure anyone with a tape, you just feel a number pop into your head. But where does that number come from? Scientists call it body size estimation. It's a snap judgment your mind makes automatically, and it's weirdly accurate. But your brain doesn't scan the whole body evenly. It zooms in on certain regions. And one region pulls more weight than the rest. That region is the thighs. Yes, really. Your brain quietly treats them like a built-in scale. It sounds odd at first. Why thighs and not the waist or the face? The answer is buried in how the body stores its information. Here's the secret. Body fat doesn't spread evenly across a person. It collects in specific places first. For many women, the hips and thighs are storage zones number one. Extra weight tends to land there early. So the thighs change in a reliable, predictable way as overall size changes. That makes them a dependable signal. Your brain loves reliable signals. It's lazy in the best way. It hunts for the clue that gives the most accuracy for the least effort. And the thighs deliver. They quietly track body size like a hidden meter. So the brain learns to trust them. Researchers tested this with computer-generated body images. They asked people to guess each figure's size. Then they watched where the eyes went. The results were striking. People's guesses lined up most strongly with the thighs. Not the belly, not the arms. When the thighs were wide, people guessed big. When narrow, they guessed small. The thighs were calling the shot. This is a mental shortcut. Psychologists call it a cue. Your brain grabs the cue and skips the hard math. Cues are everywhere in perception. Your brain uses tiny hints to guess huge things fast. It's a master of shortcuts. Think about how you judge distance, weight, even mood. You grab a hint and run with it. The thigh cue is just one of many. But why thighs over the waist? After all, the waist gets all the attention in magazines. Surely that's the obvious one. Here's the twist. The waist tells your brain something else. It signals shape and health, not raw size. The waist-to-hip ratio is about attractiveness and fitness. But for guessing total mass, the thighs win. Different jobs, different cues. Your brain divides the labor cleverly, one body part. For attraction, another for size. It reads the body like a dashboard of gauges. And this happens way below your awareness. You don't decide to stare at thighs. Your visual system just does it automatically. It's the same machinery that lets you catch a ball or dodge a car. Fast, instinctive, no thinking required. There may be a deep reason behind this. Our ancestors needed to size up others quickly. Friend, rival, mate, threat. Reading body size at a glance helped them survive. A fast guess could mean the difference between safety and danger. So the brain tuned itself to the most reliable body cue. Over time, the thighs became a trusted shortcut. We still use it today. But here's where it gets tricky. Shortcuts can be fooled, and the thigh cue is no exception. Clothing can hide or exaggerate the thighs. Suddenly, your brain's estimate goes off. The cue gets jammed. Baggy pants make people look bigger. Slim cuts make them look smaller. Designers know this trick well. That's why a single outfit change can transform how big you appear. You're hacking your viewer's thigh-reading brain. On purpose. It also means our snap judgments aren't perfect. They're quick guesses, not precise measurements. Useful, but easily nudged. This research also helps us understand body image. When people misjudge their own thighs, they can misjudge their whole size. The same thigh cue that helps strangers can mislead us about ourselves. Our internal scale isn't always honest. Understanding this can be freeing. Your brain is just running an old, fast program. It's not the absolute truth. So the next time you instantly size someone up, remember what just happened. Your brain quietly checked the thighs in a fraction of a second. It's a tiny, silent calculation you never asked for, yet it shapes how you see the people around you every single day. Your perception is a clever guessing machine. Fast, ancient, and surprisingly biased toward the legs. Now you know its secret. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. It really helps. See you in the next one.